Hello students, in this video we are going to study about our new chapter. The name of this chapter is perimeter and area. So what is perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of the length of all sides of a figure is called a perimeter. Okay, suppose the size is given, the figure is given like that. This is a rectangle. Okay, so what is the perimeter of this rectangle? Suppose the length is given 3 centimeter and the width is given 2 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? The perimeter of rectangle is the opposite sides of a perimeter rectangle is equal. Opposite sides of rectangle is equal. So this is 3 centimeter. So it means this side is also 3 centimeter. Now this sides opposite to each other, it means both are equal, so it is also 2 centimeter. Okay, now what is the perimeter of this rectangle? So perimeter means the sum of the all sides is called a perimeter. Sum of the all sides. So perimeter of this rectangle is 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2. So perimeter of this rectangle is 10 centimeter. Perimeter of this rectangle is 10 centimeter. Now you can find out the perimeter of this rectangle using the formula. So this is the length and this is the breadth. Okay, remember these things. This is length and this is the breadth. So you can find out the perimeter of this rectangle using the formula. So the formula is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, so now take the 2 common here and it is 2 length means, so you can write the formula perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, or you can write 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, 2 length plus 2 breadth means this length and this length, so 1 plus 1 2 length and 1 plus 1 2 breadth. Okay, because opposite sides of rectangles are equal to each other, so these are the opposite 2 and these are opposite 2. Okay, so you can write 2 length plus 2 breadth, or you can write 2 in bracket L plus B. L plus B means 2 is common and it is length plus breadth. So total of length plus breadth and then multiplied by 2. So this is the formula of a rectangle. Now what is the formula of a square? So suppose this is our square and the size are given, this is 4 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this square? We know all the sides of squares are equal in length. स्क्वेअरची जे लेंथ असते ते चारी साइड कसे असतात, इक्वल असते स्क्वेअरचे. So if we have the given 4 centimeter, it means this is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter. What is the perimeter of this square? So it means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, so it is 16 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a square. Now you can finding this perimeter using a formula also. So what is the formula of this square? The perimeter of a square, 4 into side, 4 into, or you can say 4 multiplied by the length of one side. Okay, so this is the 4 means it has 4 sides, equal sides, so it is 4 multiplied by what is the length of one side? So one side length is 4 cm, so 4 4 are 16 centimeter. So this is the formula of finding a perimeter. Okay, now look at here, this is the formula of a perimeter of a square and this is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. Using this formula you can find out the perimeter of a square and rectangle. Now the sum of the length of all sides of closed figure is the perimeter of that figure. Perimeter of a polygon. What is the perimeter of polygon? This is the sum of the length of all sides. Polygon means like that. So this is the like that. This is the polygon. Okay. Now it has many figure like that. So we can say it is a polygon, octagon, hexagon, nonagon. So these are the types of a polygon वगैरह. Okay, so sum of the all sides, it's a perimeter of this figure. Okay, so look at the example here. The perimeter of rectangle is 60 centimeter. So 60, if the length is 17 centimeter, what is its breadth? Okay, so the perimeter is given and length is also given. So what is its breadth? Now let's find out the breadth. So look at here. This is the example of a solution of this example. Let its breadth be x cm. Suppose this is x cm, and we know the formula 2 length plus 2 breadth equals to perimeter. This is the formula of a rectangle. This is the rectangle. So this is the formula of a rectangle, 2 length plus 2 breadth. Look at here, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. So this is 2 length plus 2 breadth. So we know the length. Okay, so this is the formula, 2 length plus 2 breadth equals to perimeter. Okay, so 2 in the bracket length, we take the common 2 and now write the in bracket. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is 64 centimeter. So this is 64 centimeter. Now 2 in the bracket. What is length? Length is 70 centimeter. 17 centimeter plus what is the breadth? Breadth bx अपन assume केलेलं आहे b का है, breadth किती है x है, equals to 64 centimeter. Now let's find out the answer. Divide the both sides by 2 using this method. Divide both sides by 2. Okay, equals to 64 multiplied by 2. Right here, divide both sides by 2. Okay, so this 2 will be cancelled. This 2 will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. So therefore 17 plus x equals to 32. 17x plus equals to 32. Now right here x as it is 32. If you transfer this 70 this side, so it will come in a minus sign, so it is 17. So x equals to 32 minus 17. What will remain? 32 minus 17. So it will remain 15. So this, therefore the breadth of the rectangle is 15 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle is 15 centimeter. You can solve this equation like that. Okay, hope you understand. Now look at the another one example. So the perimeter of rectangle of length is 28 centimeter. This is the perimeter of rectangle and breadth is 20 centimeter. So what 20 centimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square, is equal to the perimeter of a square. So what is the length of the side of the square? Okay, the perimeter of rectangle length 28 centimeter. आपल्याला इथं लेंथ पेरिमीटर रेक्टँगल की लेंथ किती 28 दिलेली आहे आणि स्क्वेअरची किती दिलेली आहे 20 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू द पेरिमीटर ऑफ स्क्वेअर. म्हणजे हे स्क्वेअरचा पेरिमीटरसुद्धा आहे आणि रेक्टँगलची ब्रीथ आहे. सो फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द पेरिमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टँगल. सो पेरिमीटर ऑफ रेक्टँगल इज इक्वल्स टू 2 लेंथ प्लस ब्रीथ. ओके, So 2 equals, what is length? The rectangle length is 28 centimeter and breadth is 20 centimeter. So this is the 96. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. If the side of that square is a, then 4a equals to 96. Okay, now this is also a perimeter of a square. Okay, equal to the perimeter of square. So it means 96 is also a perimeter of a square. Now let's find out the sides of a square. So perimeter of a square is 96. We know formula of perimeter of a square is a equals to 4a. So therefore 4a equals to 96. So 4m is 4 into m is, it is a 4 times one side. So 4 equals to 96. Therefore a equals to 96 upon 4. Now let's divide 96 by 4. So we get 40 cm. So side of the square is 24 centimeter. Okay, म्हणजे 24 square ची एक side आहे square ची किती size आहे 24 centimeter. It means all the sides of this square is 24 centimeter. Okay, hope you understand how to find out the perimeter. Okay, now we will stop here. Thank you.